So over here, you can see that I have a Google slide, and then what you can do is you can email this to other people by going to File and by going into Email. So you have two options right here. If you want to email to collaborate with others, then you choose Email Collaborators. So once you do that, what happens is that a new dialog box will pop up in a while, just like this. And what you can do is you can add in the email address of collaborator and then set them as editor. You can also send yourself a copy right here and say something like, let's collaborate right here, and then hit send button. So what happens is that this file is sent as a link, as if you were to go over here onto share and add in other people for collaboration. But if you want to send this as an attachment, what you can do is you can go to File and then you can go to Email, and then what you can do is choose Email this file. So once you do that, what happens is that now you can choose the format of the email. You can send this as a plain text, as a PDF, or even Microsoft PowerPoint format. I'm going to stick to PDF, and over here I'm going to send myself a copy as well. Let's say I want to send this to my second account right here and say, hey, check this out right here. Once I do that and hit send, let's see what happens. So this is sent as an email, and a copy of the email is sent to me as well. So I can go over here onto Gmail. So let's see what I have right here. So I'm accessing my Gmail, and let's see how the email is sent to the other person. So here you can see that the first one that I sent, the link for the Google Docs itself is sent. You can see that that the icon for the Google slide is here itself. But if I were to go over here onto this one, now you can see that it says .pdf. The file is in PDF format, and the file is sent as a PDF document that cannot be edited. And also this is a copy of the file, so no changes will be seen whatsoever, even if you were to make changes over here. And that is how you can email slides to other people from within Google Slides. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.